Let's jump into exactly how you can track, measure, and totally dominate your AI assistant share of voice.
Are you completely invisible to ChatGPT and Claude right now? Let's fix that and get your brand recommended.
Over 50% of B2B buyers consult AI before ever hitting your website. If you aren't there, you lose. Enter share of model. This is your exact percentage of AI-generated recommendations stacked up against your competitors. Traditional SEO chases those 10 blue links. Answer engine optimization, it makes you the single definitive AI answer.
Interpreting your visibility report is a breeze. This Targetlytics dashboard tracks exact win rates against your rivals.
We ensure pinpoint accuracy using N-sampling across unbranded queries, totally eliminating any weird statistical flukes.
So what exactly are these AI agents telling your buyers right now? The truth might actually shock you.
Imagine an AI quoting completely wrong pricing to a hot prospect. That's a high-priority hallucination we gotta catch.
High variance in outputs flags these hallucinations. Left unchecked, bad data literally hands the deal to your competitor.
To fix this, we gotta trace how AI builds answers using retrieval-augmented generation. It's all about the sources. Using citation forensics, we uncover exactly which old Reddit thread or stale PDF the AI is secretly prioritizing. This reveals source authority decay. When a competitor relies on aging citations, you've just found your attack vector.
Exploit those gaps. Instantly replace their outdated data by updating your own citations on high-authority platforms.
Pro tip for getting mentioned: embed clear query-answer pairs directly into your content to perfectly align with vector embeddings. Also, definitely deploy an lms.txt file with markdown routing. That makes your content super easy for bots to digest. Track these trends over time. These tactical fixes can literally drive a 3x increase in your AI mentions.
Always remember, static content dies in the age of generative AI. Constant freshness is your brand's new authority.
I'll leave you with this. Do you actually know what ChatGPT is telling your buyers today?